Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up everybody? It's your boy Kanzi. What's up boys and girls? I'm going to be showing you guys on today's video how to properly level your mix. I think it's one thing that is one mistake most new producers make. I hear that in a lot of beats where the hi-hat is too much, the kick is too much, the 808 is too much, the melody is too loud, everything is just, too muddy. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it. Trust me, I'm going to show you guys how to totally turn everything around. So before I get to today's video, like and subscribe if you're new. Do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button right now and then click on the notification button here you can get notified for my next video, because I'll be dropping a lot of tutorials almost every day for you guys. So let's get to today's video. Let's go. Okay, so on today's video I have this beat I made. This is the beat I'm going to be using for you guys. Yeah, I'm going to play for you guys, so listen. Of course I'm going to play. So here's the beat.
Spice that shit up.
Of course, you can definitely hear right there that everything is just too loud. Everything is playing at the same time. My voice tag didn't even, play out that loud. But we're gonna fix that. So you can see right here in my channel rack, everything is, I set everything back to normal. So we're gonna fix it from the scratch. So I'm just gonna repeat this place. I'm gonna repeat over here. To start, I think for me to start mixing, the one question people will ask is, where should I start from? I think you start from where the beat is most loud, the loudest place in your beat, which I think it's where everything is playing. I think right here I have everything playing right here, so you don't have to keep going back and forth, playing different things and then leveling. So it's just right here. Just fix everything. So now what I'll do is click on the channel rack. Now I'm going to solo the the piano. The first melody I use the piano. So blah blah blah, I'm gonna play it. So I think it's too loud. This much is good for me. I think it's just using your ears to listen properly. You can hear right from the start that this is absolutely loud, it's too loud, so you reduce it a little. You have to go over to the next one. It's just about paying attention, listening to what's most loud in the beat, and then having good ears to reduce it, but not reducing it too much. So let's get to it. I think I like it like this. I have one more thing, which is this. I think it's okay like this, but I think this is too loud also. Yeah, so once you're done with your melody, I think you have to you have to go over to the drums. Start with the hi-hat. It's too loud, but it's too loud, so you have to take some volume out, click that shit and reduce it. Trust me, you do not want your hi-hats to be too sharp to the ears. I think it's not good for listeners. It's not good for whoever wants to listen to your beat. So the hi-hat is not supposed to be too sharp or too loud, and not too low also. So you just have to keep it to where it's perfect for your beat. This is also loud. The clap is too loud. I think this is good right here. Move to the 808. Whenever you have a loud 808, I think you just have to reduce it a little. It's good because it's definitely going to help your beats. It's not going to give your beat that I don't know, it's going to be so muddy, stuff like that. I don't know, but you just have to take it out a little, reduce it a little. I think I like it this much. It's good. Yeah. Now the kick. Yeah. Just a little on the kick will do for me. And then the open has which is supposed to, it's like a compliment to the beat, so it's supposed to be way low. This is too loud, so I'm gonna, yeah, I think I like it like this, or I'm gonna take it out a little more. And this is the bass I use. So guys, I think I'm done. I know I'm done with the channel rack. So now, whenever I'm done with leveling here, I will just route every individual sound to the mixer. And then before I start leveling in the mixer, I first of all sidechain my kick to my 808. If you do not know what sidechaining is, I have a video. I'm going to leave the link down in the description so you can go check it out. For those of you who know what sidechaining is, let's continue the video. But if you do not know, I urge you to go watch that video and then come back to this. So what I do first is I solo each sound. I'm going to solo this and then play. This is loud. Take it down a little. I think I like it this much. Now I'm going to move to the drums. And like I said before, you do not want your hi-hats to be too sharp or too loud. It's not going to be pleasant to the ears. Reduce that bitch. Now I play the clap. Yeah. Okay. Start to feel the vibe. Take this down. Take this down. Now we'll move to the 808. Now my kick, and y'all can see that my kick is sidechained to the 808. Now take out the kick a little. Now move to this. You can see I put them both on stereo because I want them. I think I want them to be wide. I want it to be a background noise. I just want it to be. I do not know how I want it to be, but I just like it like this. So let's get back to this. Okay. Yeah, I think I like it like this. Now back to your melody. Everything is when everything is too loud, there won't be room for those little, those minor, you know, those little adjustments, those little things you add to the melody. When the main melody is too loud, there won't be room for those things. So taking out some of the volume of the melody, it's very good for you. I think I like it like this. Yeah, I like it like this. Oh yeah. Now I play everything together for you to listen. So guys, I think that's all for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Do not forget to click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. I love you guys for everything you've done. So do not forget to click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video, because I'm going to do a video on how to master. Thank you guys. Hey.